Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Handmade Hues. So today I'm going to show you how to dry rose flower. First of all, you need to dry the roses upside down before you make them dry in the silica gel. So as you can see, I have used this magic silica gel which is blue in color. You can also use the normal silica gel. The main benefit of using magic silica gel is that it turns pink whenever the moisture is completely out from the flowers. So you can know that your flowers are completely dry enough. So this is how you dry your roses. Just give a single layer down and then you can add up your roses to the gel, and then above you top it with the silica gel again, and then you can just make sure it is in a airtight container, and you close the container and then keep it untouched for few weeks. See, this is after few weeks, or after the gel turned pink, I opened the box, and as you can see, the roses are completely dried, and it seems you will feel the crispiness of the flowers. The flowers will make a sound of crispiness, so you can feel that the flowers are completely dried. This is the process. Hope this helps you all, and if you like to have more such videos, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Till then, bye bye.